Follow this video to reassemble the check valves of the hygienic QUANTM line of pumps. There are no tools required for this procedure. Before reassembly, verify system power is disconnected. Align and place O-rings, seats, balls, and manifolds exactly as shown. Use the clamps to loosely attach the manifolds to the fluid covers. Once all components are properly aligned, tighten clamps. The check valve repair is complete. Your hygienic QUANTM pump is ready to return to operation.